feeling. The feeling wasn't good. Put you in the car and drove as fast as I could. Downtown the crowd was growing. You could hardly even move. But everybody stepped aside to let the farmers through. And now who'll get up on my shoulders, take a good long look around. And I hope you will remember the day the tractors came to town. Are marching. There are bagpipes in the air. The nurses and the teachers are filling up the square. They're fighting for your future, to protect what you deserve. And one day when you're older, you can find your way to serve. Now baby, get up on my shoulders, take a good long look around. And I hope you will remember the day the tractors came to town. Tell me, what is the sound of freedom if the voices in this crowd? People ask you where you come from. You can stand up and be proud. Say, well, I was born in Madison. It's a friendly little town. Unless you try to take our rights, then we will take you down. 'Cause we know what we stand for, and we know what's right and wrong. And if you govern us with greed, then you won't last too long. Oh baby, get up on my shoulders, take a good long look around. And I hope you will remember the day the tractors came to town.